When technology fails, every minute lost can cost your business. But what if half of that downtime could be avoided? Remote IT support is changing the game for small and growing businesses by offering faster, more affordable, and proactive IT help, no matter where your team is located. Kevin O'Connell, COO at PCS Managed Services, says it best. Remote IT support is more than convenience, it's protection. It keeps your team moving, your systems secure, and your business running smoothly. Imagine this. An employee locked out of their email right before a big meeting gets instant help from a remote technician, saving the day without anyone needing to drive to the office. That's the speed and efficiency remote IT delivers. Plus, remote support gives you access to a full team of experts, from cybersecurity pros to compliance specialists, all without the high costs of full-time staff. And with ongoing monitoring and maintenance, many issues are stopped before they even become problems, minimizing downtime and disruptions. Of course, remote support isn't perfect for everything. Hardware repairs or physical on-site presence might still be necessary, but many companies find a hybrid approach fits best. The key to success? Choosing a remote IT partner who guarantees fast response times, understands your industry's unique needs, follows strong security protocols, and is transparent about pricing. To learn more, check out our latest blog for a full guide, and make sure to add this podcast to your Spotify playlist for easy access.